1750 the journey. Ibarra blooms as the heavy favorite. Gaze fly. And S26 looking for the leader. Ibarra for the outside second, running by the wheel is Treasured Akka. And passing before the judge stand is S26 being joined by Ibarra. Rushing up on the outside is passing through. And Best Kept Secret. And on the straight they travel. It's Ibarra. Leads by line followed by S26 in second. Racing third on the outside is Best Kept Secret. Next on line is Treasured Act, then followed by Passing Through. Lord Bonnie is racing sixth position, while Golden Sutter is running in the tail of the field. Into the back they travel. Ibarra leads Balanka. It's Ibarra leading Balank, followed by S26. And racing third on the outside, Best Kept Secret. Here comes Treasured Up around the outside now, Passing Through. 4 lengths for the back now is Golden Sutter, and Lord Bonnie now running in the tail of the field. And nearing the far turn, Ibarra traveling well. Leads Balank, followed by S26. Here comes Treasured Up now running in third by 3 lengths. Golden Sutter now racing fourth. Best Kept Secret Passing Through also coming into the picture. Azil Ibarra leading Balanka, followed by S26 in second, and Golden Sutter now running in third, and Treasured Act as they come up towards the home turn. It's Ibarra leading by some 2 lengths now, followed by S26 in second, a far third now, Golden Sutter, and down the stretch they go. Here comes the winner in the JB Ong Pin Cup, the second leg, the Triple Crown. That's Ibarra. S26, Golden Sutter, Treasured Act, Lord Bonnie, Passing Through, and Best Kept Secret.
There you go. Kagaya ng sinasabi at inaasahan ng lahat, numero 3, Ibarra. Ibarra, the winner here in race number 7, the JV Ongpin Cup. Okay, magandang tingnan natin. Napakabagal nung unang 3 kwartos tingin ko eh. Talagang nagja-jogging lahat yung mga kabayo. At walang gustong umuna kay Ibarra, kundi si S26.
Magaling ang